Good morning, everyone. It's another day here in our place. It's just me and my husband, Christian. So right now I am here on the project that Christian did last time. So it's already done. Um, I will show you how he put the floor, the angle bars that he welded last time. So now it's with a plastic floor now. So it's more clear what is the purpose of the angle bars that he welded last time. So after this video, I will go on the Napier grass on the other side of the farm. Christian is already there. We will extend more part to plant more Napier grass. So I'll show you later. For now, I'll show you the floor. So that's the floor now for the male goats, and you can see under here, this is the angle bars who support the plastic floor. So it's very strong, it's very stable. So I'll go to try it. I'm sure the male goats will appreciate this. We found Christian found all our goats floor from online, and they look very durable, and he purchased few already. We used also on the other house, and on the house also there, the previous rooms of the goats that I showed last time. They are quite expensive, but the quality is good and very much better compared to the bamboo floor that we used before. And these are the Napier grass stems that I collected every time I harvest Napier grass for the goats. I removed some of the matured parts and matured stem. You see, they start to grow roots, so I need to plant them even though we don't get rain. But with the rain from previous days, normally the soil is still wet. So let's go to Christian now to see the part that he extends so that we can plant more and more Napier grass. So I already planted also there on that side. They are starting to grow on the side of the road going out. We really need to utilize each part of the farm because we need Napier grass for the goats, especially as they are starting to multiply. Good morning, Will. Yeah, you see Christian is already here. Good morning, honey. And he carried all his tools and the push cart. Ha. So this is the area for the goats, but we need to, on this side here, we need to expand more. Christian will move the fence to the right so I can plant more additional rows of Napier grass on this side here. We'll see later. This is the entrance here. This is already the road. Dinosaur?
is 100. There is 120. That 100 between each row.
Not 90. I will follow that for my row of Napier. Diba it's 90 between?
Between the two plants. Row. So between the row. There is 120. Sometimes more. You want someone with that?
120 guys, right? No, because all the plants I plant there, I use 90 and then 60 between each plant. Diba you change?
Oh. Like you say, 100 there is really.
And between each plant?
But 60, if you put 60, if you put 60.
It's so funny because while we are working here, we close the park for now, but all the goats are here watching us. Hi! They are all very surprised to what we are doing here. I will now start to clean. I have few branches to remove at the end of the row because I give them leaves with branches last time. Now I need to clean. So by the way guys, maybe next video I will show you the neighbor lot. They start to clean there. I'll show you later about that, because I think we can expect new neighbor again. I don't know when, but now the road, the barangay road and the other neighbor there is very visible now, and all the passing people are very visible now from here. It was a jungle there before. We cannot see anybody there before. So from that house there, it's the way going to Atibaday until there, and Atibaday's house is there. But guys, before we move the fence there and the electric wire, Christian will need to put new post here using this pole that he bought. So this pole. So you can see this pole has already holes. This is really made for this purpose, and then it's a little bit sharp and the other end, so it's more easy to put on the soil. And then a lot of holes to put wire or whatever to fix the fence. So for the fence there, on the old fence, Christian just use a low hog wire. I think we call that here hog wire fence. Christian just put a low, I don't know how much the height. We will ask him. And then after that, he just put an electric wire on top so that the goats will not reach the napier. So I think he will do the same on the other side. And what is the height of this hog wire fence?
90.
Huh?
90.
90 centimeter.
Mm-hmm.
So it's only 90 centimeter the height of this hog wire fence, and then he put an electric wire on top, so the goats will not destroy the fence and reach the napier grass. And you will do the same on the new fence. We will just transfer this fence. Okay. So previously, Christian put there a door to protect also the new napier grass that we planted on this side. But now, as we are expanding after the door, so he can remove already that part there. We don't need a door on there. And huh? We still need. But on the other side?
Yeah.
Yes. So the door will be moved there. And for the goats, park only starting there. Until on the hills, they can no longer proceed to the hill because we already planted napier grass also there. I'll show you later. I can start na to plant here.
Wait, I will put
Wire.
I pass with the floor first.
Ah.
So tell the branch over there to remove it. So.
Yes, I saw. Christian decided to plow, to till the soil where I will plant napier grass. It will be a very big help. So it's more easy to plant, especially on the area where we expand, because the goats it's never plowed there, and because it's part of the park of the goats.